Hi, I'm Pete from European Gutters. Previously I showed you how to install straight runs. Now I'm going to show you how to install the internal and external corners. Your external corner is for at the bottom of the hip, and your internal corner will be at the bottom of the valley. Now I have the high point down to the low point. I'm just going to check the falls. This time I'm using a digital spirit level, and that shows me that I have more than the 2.5 millimeters per linear meter. Now I'm going to move on. Now I'm going to show you the internal corner. So the bracket goes 220 away from the inside. Once again, 220 away from the inside of the corner, ensuring that they're at the same height. And now that I've actually fixed it, I'll just double check it. So that's good. So here's our internal corner. I'll drop that in place. And now we'll move to the external corner. For the external corner, 50 mil away from the outside. And the same on this side. So we go 50 either side. I've actually marked where the string line was and come across with a line on this side to the top screw on there. Again, just checking that it's level. Now putting in the external corner. And now we can carry on installing the gutters as before and taking 5 mil off for expansion. And there you go, another installation of the European gutter system. Quality product, easy to install, prefabricated external and internal corners, superior form and superior function.